fill you up with love divine. He'll turn your water into wine. Sing with thankfulness songs of pure delight. Come and revel in heaven's lovely light. Take your place at the table of the King. The feast is ready to begin. The feast is ready to begin. A hungry heart he satisfies.